Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy feature on Discord that many users often overlook: the ability to view all chat links in your conversations. If you've ever wondered how to keep track of all those shared links in your chats, you're in the right place. Let's get started with an updated step-by-step guide on how to view all chat links on Discord using your Android device. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and get ready to explore your chats. Next, navigate to the specific contact whose links you want to check. You can either scroll through your direct messages or use the search function to find them quickly. Once you've located the contact you want, tap on their name to open the chat. Now here comes the exciting part. After tapping the contact's name, you'll see various options pop up. Look for the Links option and tap on it. This will take you to a list of all the links that have been shared in your conversation. It's a great way to revisit shared resources, articles, or any interesting content without having to scroll endlessly through your chat history. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed all the links shared with a particular contact on Discord. It's a simple process that can save you time and keep your conversations organized. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on using Discord like a pro. Happy chatting.